Sunny spring days, frosty early mornings, rain showers. Whatever the weather decides to do, you'll stay safe and dry in your Sinsil Conservatory. To make sure they're prepared for all kinds of weather conditions, we build our conservatories to one tough and truly weatherproof standard. But that's not enough for us. We then put them through 2 more sets of independent tests. The BBA are the UK's major approval body for new construction products and installers, and they're the experts on testing for quality. They decided to put our conservatory roof through a water penetration test at a pressure of 300 pascals, equivalent to a force 9 severe gale. Our roof stood up to 113 inches of water in just 24 hours. That's more than double an average year's rainfall in Britain. Next, the BBA put our conservatory through an uplift pressure of 900 pascals, the same as wind speeds of 85 miles an hour. Then they tested our conservatory roof by putting it under a load of 120 kilograms a square metre. That's the same weight as 4 foot of snow. So we'd proven the quality of our conservatories, but that was just the beginning. We decided to ask a specialist test company to simulate conditions never before endured by any UK manufacturer's conservatory. Windtech is the company behind the toughest kind of wind testing on the facades of major buildings like Canary Wharf and the Houses of Parliament. There are lots of things that make a Sinsil conservatory special, but you might not have guessed our conservatory is a record breaker as well. At Windtech's test centre in Telford, we built a full-size Sinsil conservatory to our usual high standards. Windtech's engineers brought in a modified aircraft engine and put our conservatory through simulated conditions way beyond what we're ever likely to see in Britain. Remember the Great Storm of '87? Well, we're talking wind speeds stronger than that, 90 miles an hour to be precise. Impressive? But the proof of performance doesn't end there. Windtech's engineers increased the internal pressure of the conservatory, then wound up the aircraft engine to speeds that have never before been tested on UK conservatories. At 130 miles an hour, the conservatory stood up to the strongest wind speed ever recorded by any UK conservatory manufacturer. At 160 miles an hour, our conservatory set a new record. It stood up to the same wind speed you'd experienced in the most devastating Force 17 hurricane, and it looked as good as new. But was it still as structurally sound as the newly installed conservatory? To find out, Windtech's engineers removed the air from the conservatory to simulate the effects of snow on the roof. Even with 9 feet of snow across the entire roof, the Sinsil roof barely moved. Why? Because unlike others, the way we designed our roof means there is PVCU under the gasket, not on bare aluminium, to stop it from slipping away.